Hi, my name is Marine. I'm a teacher and the founder of the online rock lessons piano academy. In today's video, I want to teach you how to play 3 beautiful and sad chord progression. Now, before we start, if you haven't done it already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to never miss a new video. Alright, so the first chord progression is gonna sound just like this. Amazing, so let's take a look at what these chords are. So we're gonna be in the key of C major, we're gonna keep it simple, so no key signature right here. Now, so the chord progression is gonna be 4, 5, 3 minor, and 4 in C major. So the 4th degree in C major is 1, 2, 3, 4, F major. The 5 is gonna be G major. The minor 3, 1, 2, 3, E minor, and we're back to F right here. So basically it's F, G, E minor, and F, just like that. So it's super important to transpose this. So we're gonna take a look at what it would be like in G major. G major only has one sharp, D, F sharp, but we don't need it yet. So we said the 4th degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, so C. 5th degree, D, the minor 3, which is B minor, and back to 4, to C. So in G major, that chord progression would be C, D, B minor, and C. And it's that easy to transpose it. Alright, now, so the second chord progression that we have today is gonna sound just like this. Alright, so this chord progression is actually the 1 minor, the 7 major, the 5 minor, and the 6th major. And for this one, we're going to use the A minor natural scale right here. So it's the relative minor of C major. So this is why we have the same key signature. So the first minor is going to be A minor. Then we're going to go to major 7, that is G right here. Then we're going to be moving to the minor 5, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so E minor, and to the 6th major, which is F. So that gives us A minor, G major, E minor, and F major. It's so beautiful back here. Alright, what if I do that on G major? So for G major, the relative minor of G major is E minor. So we're gonna go in E minor natural, like this. So we would have E minor for the first one. Then we have the 7, which is D major. Then the minor 5, B minor. And the 6, it's C major. Like that. Alright, so we have E minor, D major, B minor, and C major. There you go. And now for the last sad chord progression, it's gonna sound just like this. Alright, so this one is going to be the minor 3, the 1, the 5, and the minor 6. And we're going to go back to C major. So the minor 3 is going to be 1, 2, 3, E minor. Then we have the 1, that is C, the 5, that is G, and the minor 6, A minor. So we have E minor, C major, G major, minor, just like that. What if we do that in G major? So in G major, the minor 3 is B minor, the 1 is G, the 5 is D, and the minor 6 is E minor. So that would gives us B minor, G, D, and E minor. And there you go. Alright, so this is it for 3 of the most sad chord progressions. So there's many things that you can do with that. You can write songs, you can have fun and create beautiful arrangements. And the best part of that is that you can easily transpose all these chord progression on other keys. Now, if you want to push further on chords and chord progression just like that, you must check out my new piano method at the onlinerocklessons.com. It's available right now. I talk all about that, how to add grooves, how to add styles, and how chord progression works. So make sure that you check it out. It's at onlinerocklessons.com. Amazing, so have fun with this and have a good practice.